This is Eric Hunter, and I want to talk about a really cool pendulum, the fairy pendulum. Now, fairies are awesome. I've had some experiences with them, and I taught a course on nature spirits once. And I have commands about communicating with nature spirits in my book on pendulum commands. Anyway, as you can see, I've created a highly detailed beautiful model of a little fairy. It's about life size. And it is an awesome pendulum. It has amazing energy. It's really strong, the energy. And it's the flickering white light quality. So it's really good for interrupting old patterns and habits and establishing new ones. Another cool thing about this pendulum is it is about the size of a real fairy. So it's kind of fun. And yeah, it works really well. You can see it moves very easily, like very subtle movements of your hand will get this thing going. And this is really good for dowsing charts, for doing pendulum alchemy, doing manifestation and magic, also doing pendulum healing because it has really good energy. So if you are interested in fairies, oh, and it's highly detailed on both the front and the back, as you can see here. And it's got a lot of really nice detail. Like you can see her face is very detailed. So if you are interested in nature spirits, fairies, things of that ilk, you got to get this pendulum because it's amazing. It's awesome for dowsing. Sorry, I keep cutting out. I don't have a green screen, so I keep cutting out. I'm sorry about that. I'm not disappearing into the ethers. But this pendulum is really awesome. It is got amazing energy. It moves very easily. It's not that heavy, even though it looks big, it's really not that heavy. It doesn't feel very heavy when you hold it. And it's just a lot of fun. And it's a really awesome pendulum. So I highly recommend you check this one out. I have a few of them in stock right now on my website. And if I'm ever out of stock, there'll be more coming in because this is one of my favorite pendulums and I like to have it around. So please check out the fairy pendulum. Great for dowsing, great for energy healing, great for manifestation and magic. It's a really cool design. It looks like a real fairy, about the same size. It's a lot of fun. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. I'll put a link to the website below. Have a great day. Bye.